In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Coinbase to Bitcoin wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to transfer any amount of Bitcoin to an external wallet from Coinbase. So to start, set up your Bitcoin wallet address. If you have a Bitcoin wallet set up, then whenever you choose it on any service, you will be able to select the deposit option. By choosing deposit, you will be provided with the Bitcoin wallet address. This is going to be a unique alphanumeric string. You have to copy this full address and input it inside of Coinbase to initiate your Bitcoin transfer. So go over to any wallet and then choose the deposit option. Once you have the Bitcoin wallet address good to go, make sure that you copy it and log into your Coinbase account. Within the Coinbase website or the Coinbase app, you will be able to choose Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency that you want to manage within your assets and then select the send option. By choosing send, you will then be able to include the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send from Coinbase alongside the deposit address that you copied from your Bitcoin wallet. So paste the address in the recipient address field, and after that is done, you will be able to confirm the network fees and any other details attributed to this transaction. So double check the amount, double check the wallet address, and once you choose send, you will be able to receive the Bitcoin from Coinbase into that specific Bitcoin wallet. I recommend sending a small amount first to confirm that everything is set up properly, and if you do indeed receive the small amount of Bitcoin that you sent over to your Bitcoin wallet, then you can go ahead and send the rest. You will be able to repeat this process as many times as you wish, as long as you copy the Bitcoin wallet address. So go over to the wallet of choice, choose deposit, copy the address, and paste it within Coinbase whenever you choose the send option under your assets. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Coinbase to Bitcoin wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.